would love to introduce you to our Scrip program. So I'm using an incognito window so that it doesn't save my information. When you want to log in for the Scrip program on your computer, you can go to Shop with Scrip and see what you get in the search bar. You're going to get, boom, the very first thing that shows up, shopwithscrip.com. Click on that. Now you're going to go and register and take a look here. Raise Right is their new app. This app is so cool. I made a different tutorial video explaining how to log in for the app. But let's pretend like you've never registered with the Scrip program online. You probably have been filling out the gift cards and sending those in to the Lutheran school from time to time, but I don't know about you, but I forget easily to get those physical cards. And I'm also a big online shopper with Amazon and my favorite stores. So let's see more about how to do this. Now, it'll have this page where it guides you to your fundraising. Click on Join an Existing Program. The enrollment code. Now that's something that I've saved from the past. It's also on the emails that get sent out with the flyer. So you can find the flyer on our website at Sioux Falls Lutheran School. And when you go to the website at Sioux Falls Lutheran, when you look for the Scrip tab, so we will have it under, I'm just waiting for this to load. Oh, I guess it is loaded, sorry. About Us, nope. I forget where the Scrip tab is, hold on. Scrip, there we go, get involved. Scrip, I knew it was somewhere, I just got a little confused there for a minute. So here's the Scrip program information. Look here, Scrip online ordering instructions. So you can follow these point by point. Make sure you copy the enrollment code. So Command C or Control C to copy. Here's this page with Shop with Scrip. I'm back on this page. Paste, register. Now, you're going to create a username. Mine is the same one I use for social media when I don't want people to know my last name, you know, like Twitter, my Twitter handle. That's what I use for my Scrip handle, but whatever you prefer. It could be an email address if you like, and follow the parameters to creating a password. So they give you all the requirements that you need. You need a special character, uppercase and lowercase, and numbers, da-di-da. Then you're going to fill out lots of information. As you can see, you have to fill out all these fields with your name, address, and the phone number is optional, but I put mine on. It doesn't hurt. This is a secure website and a secure program. Your student name and your classroom, those fields are optional as well, but I liked putting them on there. I think maybe our Scrip office can see that. I don't know. Enter your email address, of course, and you could sign up for the promos. I like getting their emails because sometimes the rebates get better during the year for different stores. So I don't mind getting the emails. Most of the time I just trash them right away, but it doesn't hurt to get another email. Make your security questions and say you're not a robot. After you register, you're going to be prompted to put in your checking account information. Now, if you are going to pay for these cards through your checking account, that's better for the company than using your credit card. Because with your credit card, you're going to have to spend the 2% to process the processing fee, right? So it's definitely safe to use your checking. You're going to put in your checking account number and your routing number on the next page once you've gotten through all this login stuff. and that's totally safe and secure. Now it's going to take about a day and a half or 2 days, all the way up to 3 days, business days, for them to verify your account, and then you'll be able to purchase items. So you can shop as much as you want once you're in there, and you can browse and you can make your shopping cart, but they're not going to let you purchase anything until your account is verified, which makes sense, right? They want to make sure you have a valid account. So let's get into how we do EGift cards. It's my favorite part. Amazon is my best friend lately during COVID. A lot of times I just get $100 at a time, and just put that into my Amazon account. And then, I just use it as I go throughout the month. I don't always spend $100 a month, but sometimes you're making random purchases, and it's nice to get 2% back, 2.25. It's a low amount, but for me, every little penny counts when it comes to my kids' education, and we all know how difficult it can be to pay for tuition, correct? So why not make my normal purchases and just give a little bit back to my children as I go and bolster their account. So I'm actually going to switch tabs and get to where I am already logged in so that you can see the purchasing process. So here is Shop with Scrip. I'm going to sign in. Once you have everything all logged in, you can save this to your bookmarks bar so that you know where it is in the future, right? So here we are, hit sign in. And you're going to see this advertised everywhere. They just came out with the app, the Raise Right app. So this will show up, and then you should download it. It's really awesome. Click the X, and it'll give you all these little pointers to get started. Shopping the bonuses will maximize your earnings. Let's look at the bonuses. Right now, these are the companies that are increasing their rate. So, yeah, it's just such a great program. This is kind of like a back to school sale. And let's just say I'm going to buy some EGift cards to Old Navy. So I'm going to click on the EGift card option. I could get a physical card. Whenever I order a physical card, the Scrip office will have me pick it up, just like they have been doing here. So I purchase it before the cutoff date. It's usually Monday mornings by 10 a.m. I'd have to have it purchased so that it shows up on their side. And then they will get the physical card, and then I will pick that up on the following Thursday, correct? And the schedules, you'll just have to pay attention to the emails from the Lutheran School office and make sure you know what days to do pickup. Or if they're not doing pickup due to a vacation or, holiday. So Old Navy, let's say I want to do an EGift card. Let's say I want $100. You just add that to your cart. Here we are. I already had something else in my cart because I was thinking about my Hy-Vee card that I wanted to purchase. Yes. And here's my Old Navy. And so here you've got just some different options. Select your payment type. If you use your credit card, it's 2.6% every time, every purchase for everything. If you use your bank account, it's a one-time 15 cents fee. That's it, 15 cents, not a percentage of the total, 15 cents. So I tend to fill up my cart. I'll have 5 or 6 gift cards, EGift cards on my thing, and boom, 15 cents is all I have to pay to process that. Yes, please. Or I can opt to pay later. Now, I suggest everybody does this. It's easier for the people in the office. It's secure. Scrip does not take out extra money from your account or anything like that, right? So it's a safe program. This is a secure website. Look at this. Every time you see a little lock, that means you are secure. Okay, there are precautions set in place so that people can't steal your data or steal your routing number or your account number, right? So that's where we're at. You would hit submit order when you're done. And you know what? Let me do an actual one so you can see what we're doing. I want Hy-Vee, and I know for sure I wanted Amazon. I'm going to do Hy-Vee and Amazon, add to cart, and this will just be my purchase for this month because that's all I think I was going to sign up for anyway. And I can make another purchase later is the beauty of it. Go to my cart. It's got my bank account memorized. See, you can't even tell what it is because I've got a PIN number you don't know, and I've got a bank account number you don't know. See, you can only see the last four, just like with a credit card, right? Okay, so my rebate for my kids will be $7, which is great because I was already going to make purchases at these places anyway. No big deal. $7 for shopping like normal. Great. Submit your order. So now, with my EGift card, you're going to say, where's my EGift card? You can go to your wallet. There's this wallet, and it can be found on your dashboard. So at the top of the page here, go to dashboard, and you're going to see your wallet down here. It's kind of a lot of scrolling and guessing, but I'm going to show you right now. My wallet is right here. This exclamation point means there's something new. Let's take a look. These are my past EGift cards I've done before, but here's the Amazon one I did today. View it. Now I can go to copy the code, or I can click redeem now. And since I'm already saved my login information to Amazon on my laptop, I can click that. It's going to route me to Amazon. I'm going to remember my password so that you can see how slick this is. I think this is the right password. Nope, capital. That's what it was. See, even us techie people forget our passwords. It's okay. I have a spreadsheet somewhere. So apply to my balance. Look at this. It automatically did it for me. And now I have $100 in my Amazon account, and I can keep buying lovely trinkets or necessary items for my children. So that's how slick that is. It's amazing. And then the Hy-Vee gift card that I bought. So let's go back to our purchases, right? Payment, order history. If I ever want a receipt, I can print that out from here. So here is what I ordered recently, $100 to the one to Hy-Vee, and then $100. Hy-Vee was the 4.75 earnings, and then this was the Amazon earnings. So my Hy-Vee gift card will be available at the school this coming Thursday, right, for pickup. So that is how easy it is to use the online Scrip program. And I just hit the tip of the iceberg. I mean, come look at these things. When you look at the bonus rebates, oh my gosh, it's so much fun to dig through and get yourself an EGift card, or maybe there's birthdays coming up, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas. Just stock up, like if you have the money and you know you're going to spend it anyway, don't just buy randomly, have a plan. And it's just such a blessing to be able to pay that forward to your children or to your grandchildren if you're trying to help your loved ones with their tuition at Sioux Falls Lutheran. So, any questions for basic things about Scrip? What website do I go to? Those types of things. You can ask the Lutheran School Office or staff members at Sioux Falls Lutheran. But I would say if you're having problems logging in to your account, make sure to contact Scrip, the website, hit that contact button, send them a message. If you're having any sort of problems, there's a live chat and there's email. The email is there, support@shopwithscrip.com. So send technical website information questions to the company directly because we can try to help you, but they're going to be the experts on the website. And that's what they're there to do. They're there to help you, the customer. All right. Sorry for the long video. Hopefully you found it educational and engaging. Have a good day.